What did you get, Lucas? Oh, is it exciting? What is it? Yeah, DVD player. Oh, yeah. Oh, there you go. Pull it off. Pull off the paper. All done. It's all done. Oh boy. And how about your, look, what's that? It's to go with it. What all did you get? Where did your ball go? Where's your ball? Is it over there? Go get your ball. Go get the little ball. And you get a couch. No, get your little ball, not your big ball. You went out of my focus. Alright, well, he's gonna play now.